Giants taking on the Braves at AT&T Park. Tyler Colvin playing in just his third game with the Giants this season. He faces Braves starter Gavin Floyd in the bottom of the second. Base is empty and 2 men away.
High and deep to right. This baby is way back. Out of here. Hey, welcome to AT&T Park, Tyler Colvin.
1-0 Giants, and to say Colvin got a hold of this one is an understatement. Launching it into McCovey Cove. Yes, 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 the Giants with the early lead. Tim Lincecum on the hill for the Giants, looking good in the third as he gets Andrelton Simmons on strikes. And the throw down to first base to complete the play. And then it's Floyd, who also can't find it. And 2 batters later, Jason Hayward with the swing and a miss. The freak strikes out the side. It is still 1-0 in the top of the 5th. Until now, B.J. Upton launching one just over the wall. What a grab by that fan. A brand new ball game at 1 run apiece, top 6. It is Lincecum facing Hayward as Hayward chops this one to the right side, right down the first base line. It takes an awkward bounce off the bag and eats up Giants first baseman Michael Morse. That's an E3. Morse playing first base because Brandon Bell is on the DL. Later in the inning, Lincecum in a 2-on-2-out jam, but he gets out of trouble by getting Chris Johnson. 1-1 it remains. Now we go top 7. B.J. Upton looking to steal third base. The throw down to third, and Upton is ruled safe. However, Bruce Bochy issuing the manager's challenge. He goes under replay review, and it certainly does appear from this angle that Upton is out. And indeed, the original call of safe is overturned. Upton is out, and the Braves would not score. Now we go bottom 7. Man aboard for Brandon Crawford. He sends this one to the right side, and this one eats up Freddie Freeman. Another first baseman error, this time on the Braves side. The E3 on Freeman erasing what could have been a double play ball. And that sets the stage for the Giants. They have 2 on and nobody out. Next batter for the home team, Tyler Colvin.
And this is hit on the ground, a fair ball. Right over the bag into the corner. Sanchez scores. Crawford's going to score. Colvin digging for 3. He'll make it. And the Giants take the lead.
Tie-breaking 2-run triple for Colvin. What a night for him. And just for good measure, the next batter, Brandon Hicks, sending Colvin home. That made it 4-1 Giants. And they go on for the 4-2 win behind the brilliant outing of Tim Lincecum, who recorded his 36th career double-digit strikeout game, but his first one since July 28th of last season against the Cubs. He also pitched beyond the 6th inning for the first time in 8 starts this year. Angel Pagan produced his 4th 3-hit game of the season.